So Friday, uh, the Chinese defense minister very bluntly said that anybody that comes in the way of uh, Taiwan and Chinese, they are really just going to declare an all-out war on them. There will be no hesitation, and they will smash anybody to smithereens. Now, we have a very prominent another reason that we need to get busy and start preparing and putting things away. We've already had so many problems with just Russia uh, due to lack of things coming in. But now, when you take and put this effort with China involved, yeah, it's gonna get scary, guys. Just stock up, please. Just get some stuff, stock it up, and that way you don't have to worry. All right. Have a great day. Or try.